Okay, so let's talk about the omoplata real quick. Okay, so what's the condition for the omoplata? Okay, keep your elbows narrow a little bit, yeah. So the condition here is pressure on the head. Okay, you turn your hip. Do you see what I do here? I move my knee has to move to the middle of the body. So keep your arm tight. I can't fit my knee, but when I move, look, you see how I kind of move my body out of the way? Now, when I go here in that position, I kick that leg out a little bit, is the heel. See, I want to have the heel grabbing the guy's shoulder, then I climb. And this is the critical point. Either you're going to finish on the first attempt, or you're going to finish as they try to counter. On the first attempt, if you want to do it, the hip has to connect to your hip. If you separate it, you're not going to finish it. So here, your idea here is to lift your hip and turn. You see how I'm doing like a takedown on the guy? So once he's down, I still have control of the arm, okay? The way you do here, now go ahead and get up again. Do you see how this leg here allows him to reset? Go back one step. So here, no, stay down the way you were earlier. Get up again. See what I do here? I extend my body and I keep my elbow on his leg. That takes that leg away. Now I have the chance to start moving my body back. And here, when I sit, I got the guy. Otherwise, it becomes a revolving situation. Let's do it again. So, you got the 4 points of contact. Your elevated knees narrow. You want to set up the omoplata. You move your hip out of the way. See, my hip has to align with that leg. So here, 1, 2, okay? Once I kick that leg there to prevent the arm from using. Once I get the heel here, I kind of go with the heels. Okay, and here, like I said, I'm gonna try to glue. I have the hand on the arm. I'm gonna glue that hip on my hip, because a lot of guys, they do this. They try to go from there. Roll your body and roll the hip like a takedown. And here you go for the leg. So if he tries to get up, you see how much pressure you have right there, Jeremy?
Yes, sir.
And that gives you a chance to scoot to the middle and out. And then from here, you move forward. If you want to finish, you can move forward, but what I do, I like to hover. I just get my hip off the ground. Here, when I move a little bit here, that's all it takes. Okay? Once you guys playing that one. 1, 2, 3, up.